King, let me call you back now. Alright? Cool. Hi, Angela.
Hi, Raymond. How are you?
I'm fine.
Nice. Good to know. We are going to check up on the girls from the
Hold on. Whoa. No, man. No. You not start no conversation with me. With we.
Raymond, listen. We are going to check up on the girls from the rescue night. Alright? No matter with the disagreement, man. We're going to check up on them. We're going to see how they're doing and, try motivate them a little bit more. So, I am heading to the location and I'm going to send you where I'm going to be. Just be there.
Hold on. Hello? What a woman, you're mad.
Keep left at the fork. Continue for 4 miles.
Mikey, you can go to baby school and take some picture with her for me at the fun day.
I'm not sure I can do that still, Remember me tell you say I have a mission to go on. So I'm kinda off the grid right now, Mom said.
Please, me I beg you. Remember me not there Jamaica, me can't make something important like this pass and me not see it. Just go take a picture of them now, Mikey.
Alright. I forgot to see if I can ask somebody else to deal with it for me because I can't use my phone. Remember me have to do in her shadows. I can't be seen close to her. Else she gonna become a target. You know that.
Me not care where you want to get it from. Just get a video of me baby fun day. Your phone or not, Mikey, I don't care. You can't tell me that. You can't take it with your phone. You can't get close to her, Mikey. Mikey, me need a video with my baby fun day.
Yeah, what you do? Remember, you can't talk to me, so what you do? A body I try bad me to get this done, you gotta take some of the bass out of your voice. Remember, say you could have there so with her, and you choose to lift up and down there with her. So don't go on like say you want to come bad me for it. Remember, me will not do nothing at all, and you will not see nothing. No way you do.
I'm sorry to talk to you like that, but I'm just stressed. You have to understand some stress. I just want to see my daughter. I want to talk to her. I just want one video, one picture. I want to see everything. I want to be involved in her life. And I can't be involved where I want to be involved. Understand now? Just understand. Over here, I try. I want to come back to Jamaica. I can't come back right now. I cannot come back. Please, may I beg you, please. May I beg you, please.
Alright. Now let's see what I can do, yeah? Later I connect you. Me send you the video there. Yeah, may I get a card? Yeah, bossy.
Which boy you sound, sir?
Oh, no, man. Me alright.
We're gonna look for the girl them today. Just link them for the house.
Alright, me can do that, but boy in our next hour mechanic. Because I have something to deal with first.
Alright, see you them time there.
Alright.